In this video, I'm going to share with you how do you set up Google Pay with Stripe and WooCommerce, WordPress WooCommerce, right? First of all, you need to activate your Accept Payment with Woo. Install it. I've already installed. There's an install button over here under the settings, payment section. Okay, under settings payment. So down here, they are able to accept credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay. Just enable it. And after you click the install button, then you go inside here, complete setup. I already choose the payment method. There's actually a list of payment method involved. Okay, over here, and then down here in Stripe itself. Okay, you need to connect to account over here, your own Stripe account. Then the Stripe account will accept the Apple Pay and Google Pay. Okay, with Stripe, you can actually accept your Google Pay and Apple Pay. I'm going to connect to a test account to show you how it works. Okay, test account, don't enter your Stripe account. Just skip this. With your real account, you need to enter your Stripe account email address. So you just go to Stripe there and register your account, where you enter your particulars and your bank account details, your verification ID. Okay, so now I'm in your test mode. Account test status test. So payment method, you go to the payment method here. Okay, so payment method, you choose which are the options that you want to accept or here. Okay, if you want express payment for Apple Pay and Google Pay, just click on this. Okay, then that's it. Basically, it's this. And you can customize as well if you want. This is for the express payout. Okay. And where do you want the express checkout to be? In checkout page, in product page, or in cart page? Okay. Yeah. So if you don't want in product page, you should untick it. If you only want in checkout, you just click on this or cart page. Okay. If you put in product page, it will not go through the customer details form where you get your customers information. So basically, express checkout is straight away to go to Google Pay and pay. Yeah, it's up to you whether you want to have it or not, or you want it to be at the checkout page. Okay. For example, if I put it as the checkout page, let's see what happens. And then I can choose between dark, light. Probably dark is better. Outline is like that. So dark theme is better. And you can change the appearance size default. Then I think default is better. Call to action. Is it buy with Google Pay, you donate with Google Pay, book with Google Pay. So you can actually choose like buy with Google Pay, things like that, and then you save your changes. You save your changes. Okay, so this is already enabled, right? I'm going to test because now it's actually a test simulation. I can actually go and get my test card, test credit card. Okay, because Stripe actually give you a list of test credit card to test. Okay, is here. Okay, the test cards. So all these cards you can test from Visa to Mastercard, where Amex, all the cards you can test all these cards, and even have different countries cards as well. So these are not real cards. It's just for your testing purpose. So maybe I'm going to test this card, and I'm going to my products itself. Okay, let's go to my product page. Example. By the way, this is a demo site, not a temporary site. So just a temporary site just for testing. I'm going to click on this and test is it working? Then and card, view card. So add the card, it doesn't have the Google Pay. If you want to be in the product page, you can tick on that in the product page. Now I don't want that. So I'm going to go to proceed checkout. Okay. Oh, this is Amazon Pay, buy with Google Pay over here. So if you express checkout, okay, if you express checkout over here, the customers don't have to actually fill in all the particulars here. Things like that. Okay, things like that. So, yeah, basically, buy with Google Pay, just click on this, and then you can do a testing of the Google Pay. Okay, Google Pay. Okay, now you can actually do your payment credit card. You can test your credit card over here. This one is the random card. That is this. Or I can choose any of this. Yeah. Okay. Card number. Or I'm going to add different card number. Okay. Example, whatever. Okay. And then place order. Phone number is incorrect. Just anyhow put some numbers. Yeah, I think it detected the number is not correct. Okay, Singapore is 8 numbers. Just a random number. Okay, there you go. So that's it. Okay, 1 USD is conversion 1347 and things like that. Yeah. So yeah, credit card payment done, and you will see the order. For Google Pay, you need to sign in with your Google account. So yeah, I won't be signing in with my Google account. I'm just showing you that how to set up. Then you go to your WooCommerce, your orders is here. Okay, orders here. Okay, here. There you go. The order is here. Okay, then you can process it, and then make sure after you process it, you update it as completed. Then update. Then it will show the payment method by credit card and the Stripe fee and all those things. And then update. Okay. Basically, that's it. I just want to show you how to actually pay, set up your Google Pay or credit card payment using Google Pay for WooCommerce. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.